They're revoking the legal status of 530,000 illegal aliens from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela who were flown into the U.S. by Biden through its CHNV program.
We're landing right now.
Mr. President, do you plan to take Greenland by force?
Some of these key drivers of migrants are expected to persist. Heightened U.S. border security enforcement and deportations under the Trump administration are proving to serve as a deterrent for migrants seeking to illegally cross our borders.
Trump revoking 530,000 illegal aliens status. This is being reported with a copy of the letter from America First Legal saying these illegal aliens must now self-deport or face detention and removal. And they got their hands on a copy of the letter that looks like it went out. And the letter looks like it's just a draft letter, right? You see it's written here to John Fitzgerald Kennedy in Anytown, D.C. So it's just a reproduction, a facsimile of what is actually going out to people with the correct account numbers and so on. But here is what the letter apparently looks like is going out. It says, they're revoking the legal status of 530,000 illegal aliens from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela who were flown into the U.S. by Biden through its CHNV program. Here's what the letter says. All right, listen. Effective March 25th, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security has exercised its discretion to terminate the categorical parole programs for aliens who are nationals of Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, Venezuela, and their immediate family members. And these must be the people who are DoorDashed and Ubered into the United States via Joe Biden and their app. Your parole will terminate upon the earlier of 1, your original parole expiration date, or April 24th, 2025. You should depart the United States now, but no later than the date of termination of your parole. Failure to timely depart may have adverse immigration consequences. Now, as the termination of your parole, you may be subject, as of, to the expedited removal pursuant to the law, either of which may result in your removal unless you've already departed or have obtained a lawful basis to remain. If you have not obtained a lawful basis to remain and do not depart, you will begin to accrue unlawful presence in the United States unless you're otherwise protected from the accrual. Accrual of more than 180 days of unlawful presence followed by departure from the United States may result in being inadmissible again if you seek admission within a certain period of time after departure. If you are departing the United States via land, you should report your departure once outside the United States via the app. If you're having trouble reporting via land, go to this website. Now, if you've been granted employment authorization based on parole and your employment authorization is not automatically terminated already and is not scheduled to expire, the following applies to you, saying there could be some good cause determinations and you may have some countervailing evidence, so please submit it timely. Otherwise, any decision to revoke your employment authorization is final. No appeal shall lie from the decision to revoke this, and if you are working without employment authorization, you are in violation of the law. So that looks like it's going out to 530,000 people, and so we'll see some major responses to that, no doubt, probably some other lawsuits and more. But when Trump was landing, he was very concerned about the fake news people, fake news media, right? So taking care of business on both ends, deporting people that are not supposed to be in our country, taking care of our fake news all at the same time.
We're landing right now.
Mr. President, do you plan to take Greenland by force?
Is today's inflation report impact?
We're landing right now. I don't want to see anybody get hurt.
We don't want to see you get hurt.
Have a good time.
Thank
Good
you,
luck,
Mr.
everybody.
President.
Good luck.
That's the president. And we got one final clip here from Tulsi saying that these policies are working. We're seeing major drops of people trying to come across the border.
Some of these key drivers of migrants are expected to persist. Heightened U.S. border security enforcement and deportations under the Trump administration are proving to serve as a deterrent for migrants seeking to illegally cross our borders. U.S. Border Patrol apprehensions along the southwest border in January 2025 dropped 85% from the same period in 2024.
Nice, Tulsi. We're looking forward to seeing more great progress and good numbers, but 530,000 people now getting a notice to get out of the country or else.